Hi, my name is Ebbie, and I've lived in Maryland for about a year. I served 20 years in the United States Marine Corps. I'm really particular about who I let into my space. I'm new to PG County, and I wanted a fence around my house, but not just any fence. I wanted the fence. So I talked to probably 6 different fence companies. One company on a Friday night replied to me in a messenger, and I got responses to every single one of my questions, and that was common sense. My experience with common sense has been angelic. I'm not a very trusting person, so I really got a really good energy communicating via messenger first, and then I did a little stalking, and I was actually reading reviews about common sense. Everything was amazing. Everybody came to me excellent. Everybody was amazing. Everybody answered my questions, and I didn't just feel like a customer. I actually felt like I was a friend. Served 20 years in the military. I bought houses, I sold houses, I built fences. Even in this area, I contacted about 6 fence companies to include private contract. And the only person who came to me with honesty and enthusiasm and a sense of purpose and expeditiously was Common Sense Company. Being a veteran, do have some disabilities, PTSD, OCD, anxiety. Having a fence to me is more than protection. So if you zoom in on my shirt and you read it, it says, "Protects this house I will." So for 20 years as a Marine, I was able to protect and serve this country. But now that I've retired and living here in PG County, I can protect and serve my house because of Common Sense Company.